Hello, I'm Dr. Ronen Roy, Director of Orthopaedics Surgery in Fortis Hospital, Anandapur. A common question that is asked by patients is, what are the advantages of robotic total knee replacement? And I think there are a number of advantages that are there, and I would like to highlight them for you. First and foremost, we find that robotic knee replacement tends to have much more early recovery as far as the patient is concerned. This is probably because the amount of cutting that is required is reduced significantly in robotic knee replacements, because the soft tissue dissection that is required is significantly less. Along with that, the need for blood transfusion is also reduced, and patients find that recovery after the operation is much sooner and quicker. And as far as the orthopedic surgeon goes, we feel that because the operation is far more accurate than using conventional techniques, we hope that these implants that are being put in using a robot will give much better long-term results, and the survival of these implants will hopefully be better in the long term. But unfortunately, these are things that will only be proven in the future. But as we speak, robotic surgery definitely seems to have a few clear advantages. I thank you for your attention.